While many kids are lounging in the comforts of their home, about 800 students from all around the country get together at the Marriott Hotel in Dallas to further their journalism skills. With the quickly increasing number of attendees, the hotel is certainly bustling.
And so much traffic throughout the lobby, and then by the elevators, people are waiting like 5 or more minutes just to get in there.
To many, journalism is an important way to tell stories that you may not hear otherwise.
I do a lot of feature stories, so it gives me a chance to find all these people who people don't know about, or they just walk by in the hallway. I have a chance to let people understand who they are, just the incredible stories that they have.
It is important that citizens always try and find the truth and hold people accountable for their actions. These play a big role in journalism and are taught in the Gloria Shields workshop.
Teaching students the fundamentals of journalism, how to conduct themselves, to really search for the truth and to present that truth to their audience is something that will help to preserve our democracy.
This year, Gloria Shields has had the highest amount of attendees yet. The best people in every field have spent a large amount of time learning and would take any opportunity to learn from the best. And it seems like more and more students are starting to understand that. With Adrian Wolf, this has been Alex Edwards reporting at the Gloria Shields workshop.